In this video, I'll guide you through how to install Google Drive add-ons so you can extend what Drive can do and make your workflow a lot smoother. We'll go from opening Google Drive all the way to finding your new tools once they're installed. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, go ahead and open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to use these add-ons, because the tools you install will be tied to that specific account. Once Drive is open, you should see your usual folders and files. Now look to the top left corner of the screen for the New button. This is the same button you normally use to create new files or folders. Click on New. A menu will drop down with options like Folder, File Upload, and Google Docs. Move your mouse down that menu and hover over the option that says More. Don't click Yet. Just place your cursor over it. When you hover over More, another side menu will appear. This is where Google shows extra options, including third-party apps that can connect to Drive. At the bottom of that side menu, you'll see an option called Connect More Apps. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window or a new tab, depending on your browser. This is the official store where you can browse and add apps that work with Google Drive and other Google services. At the top of this marketplace, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can search for the add-on or app you want to install. Click into the search bar and type the name of the tool you're looking for, or just type a keyword like PDF editor or diagram if you're still exploring what's available. Then press enter. You'll see a list of matching apps appear. Take a moment to look through the results. You can click on any app to open its details page, where you can read a description, check ratings and reviews, see screenshots, and confirm that it does what you need. This is a good time to make sure the app is from a trusted developer and that the permissions it requires make sense for what it does. When you've decided on the app you want, click the install button on its page. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation and showing you the permissions the app is requesting. Read these carefully. If everything looks reasonable, click to proceed. You may also be prompted to choose your Google account and grant access. Follow the on-screen authorization steps until you see a message confirming that the app has been installed. Once the installation is complete, your new add-on is ready to use. Depending on the type of app you installed, it will now appear either under the Open With menu when you right-click a compatible file in Google Drive, or in your Drive apps list, usually under that same New, then More section you opened earlier. If it's a file-specific tool, try right-clicking a document, a spreadsheet, or whatever file type it supports, and look for Open With to see if the new app is listed there. That's all you need to do to install Google Drive add-ons. You can repeat these same steps whenever you want to explore new tools, improve your productivity, or connect your favorite services directly to Google Drive.